Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody. It's me, Dr. Ija. Now I'm going to show you how we can add file in your Moodle. So first of all, you have to log in into your Moodle and make sure you turn editing on for you to edit your content in the Moodle. Right. So after you have turned editing on, please go to the topic where you want to add your file. Today I'm going to show you how we can add file into your Moodle. Okay, in this case, I already have a topic, adding course resources, which is file. And next, what you need to do is that you can click on add an activity or resource. It will direct you to this page showing all the activity and resources that you can insert in Moodle. Or you can click separately the list of activities and also the list of resources. So today I'm going to show you how we can add file. So file is under resources. So next what you need to do is you just click on file and it will direct you into this page, adding a new file. So you are now going to add a new file into the new topic or into the topic where you want to add your file. Right. So what we have under adding a new file is that first we have the general part where you need to insert name and it is compulsory. So the name of the file is, let's say I'm going to add my lecture note on inquiry based learning. Okay, example, is the file is about lecture note on inquiry based learning. Next, you have a description part where you need to insert the description to this file. So I'm going to add, please read this lecture note on inquiry based learning before we start with the lecture. Okay, so you can make it bigger, or you can change into a bigger font. Let's say I want it large. Right. Okay, now I have a larger font. Okay, don't forget to click display description on course page. If you don't click display description on course page, whatever that you have written in the description will not appear on your course page of your Moodles. Okay. And below description part, we have select file. This is a part where you can drag and drop your file here, or you can just click where it will direct you to file picker. You need to upload the file. Click on choose file. And in this case, I'm going to choose my lecture note, which is in PDF form, not in PowerPoint format. It's in PDF format. Technology in inquiry-based learning. And I will click choose. It's appear in the choose file. And you need to upload this file first. So it will take some time to upload the file. Depends on your speed of internet. So let's just wait for it to upload. Oh, too large for the server to process. Let me try drag and drop. Okay. Alright, there you go. Maybe drag and drop is better. So I've already added my notes here in this part. Select file. So for appearance, usually we just leave it by default. Don't do anything. Restricted access, activity completion, right? Just leave it by default, and next what you need to do is just save and return to course. So what you can see now in your on your course page is that it's already here. Yeah, lecture note on inquiry-based learning. So when you want to look back at this file, you just click on this file, and what happened is that it will direct you to the file that you have uploaded. So this is the file that I uploaded just now, okay, on how to integrate ICT in inquiry-based learning, right? So if you don't want it, you just return back to your course page. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to add your file on your course page of your Moodle. Thank you very much.